Why Instagram post music is not available. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. As you do that, what you can simply do is launch the Play Store application on your device and search for Instagram just to make sure you have an updated version of the Instagram application. So as you can see on the screen, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Instagram application. So we're just going to go back, and what you can do is simply make a long press on Instagram application and then tap on app info. Now as you tap on app info, what you can simply do is you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So select on that and then clear the cache and tap on OK. Now if that doesn't work out, you can reinstall the application after uninstalling the Instagram application on your device. And if that doesn't work out, you can launch your Instagram application on your device and switch your personal account to your professional account. So if you have a personal account, you can either switch it to business account or creators account, because the business and creator accounts have more features than the personal accounts. So you can just switch your account type, and that might also help you out. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.